Okay, so this is an unboxing of the Disney Loungefly Mickey and Friends Winter Wonderland set. In this box, I have 10 boxes to open. So let's make a start. And the first one is it's cool. Yeah, it's Pluto. Next up is Donald. Next we have gotta be chaser. Gotta be. Please. Mickey! Minnie. Get in! Chaser! Coolio, I think. Is that him? No, it's not the Chaser, is it? Nope. Yay! How cool! All six. So after opening 10 boxes of these Mickey and Friends Winter Wonderland pins from Get Ready Comics, I got them all. Out of 10 packets, I got the 6 for the set and the Chaser, and I have 4 unopened packets which I shall be trading.